everyone, welcome to Kitchen Instruments. This week, if you like sugar and you like spice, then you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious classic chocolate mousse, but with a bit of a kick. Some spicy sriracha. So let's do it. Okay, so to make a chocolate mousse is relatively simple. It's literally just whipped cream, a little bit of melted chocolate, and a little bit of sugar whisked together, and ta-da, you're done. So nothing too complicated. But I was at my parents' house the other day, and my dad gave me a Sriracha Pepper out of his garden. And I thought to myself, I bet that would be really good in chocolate. So today we're going to take advantage of a unique property that cream has in its ability to absorb flavors. Think in terms of your breakfast cereal and then what your milk tastes like after you're finished. Same thing. And what's nice about doing it this way is we can infuse the cream with all the heat and the flavor of the Sriracha Pepper without having their mousse being disgusting and chunky. Okay, now, full disclaimer, if you don't like Sriracha, that's totally cool. Just leave it out. This tutorial is going to show you how to make a delicious, amazing, succulent chocolate mousse. Yeah. So just don't put it in. Okay, so before we begin, if you enjoyed this week's video, please feel free to give it a like and also share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. Trust me, it does. And if you really like the video, smash that subscribe button. It's going to be around here or so, and then at the end of the video, there's going to be a little Kitchen Instruments symbol right about here. You can just click on that, and that'll automatically subscribe you. How cool is that? Science. Alright, let's make some mousse. And there we go. That's how to make an awesome, delicious, silky smooth chocolate mousse in a matter of minutes. Now, cream's ability to absorb flavors doesn't just end at Sriracha peppers. You can use strawberries, cherries, coffee, oranges. The sky is kind of the limit with that stuff. So, feel free to experiment and get creative. Alright, so that's all I have time for this week. Stop by next week where we're going to be making Szechuan sauce from Rick and Morty. It's going to be a good one. Love-a-dub-dub-dub.